We have TerraLuna, symbol LUNA, versus the dollar, and we'll start it off with a general overview, starting with the 4-hour. Lower term time frames, looking for a bit of a retracement here, probably back down to about 36 even, but I would be looking for a short-term bounce around there. I'm curious if lower term time frames agree with that. Yep, somewhere around about 36.5 to 36 even. But that's very short-term time frames. Daily, good, very good. Hidden bullish evidence, another drive coming off that last low. I am inclined to say this one probably does continue on to 40.5 to 41 bucks, maybe over the weekend or early next week. Weekly, still long-term good. The question is, does this one correct more? However, if the rest of the market does come down, where would I be looking for on this one? About 28.5 or so. Monthly, very good closure, very, very good closure on the monthly. Any sort of a move down to low 30s would be fine. Long-term, let's come over here and see if we can come up with any more biases on this one. Imagine short-term time frames looking pretty damn good, or actually getting a little bit tired there. 35.87 going to be the magic number on the 4-hour to keep momentum oscillators up. Hourly is coming down below 38.70. 12-hour is going to pop back up above 37.5, and daily is up as long as above 35.5. Interesting. I mean, you do have a pretty obvious range going on right here. The question is, does this one hold about 36 bucks or so? If you fail to hold that region, this very likely does go through a more prolonged correction. But again, do not confuse correction with bearish. Just imply that any sort of a move down to like low 30s is probably a good area. I am inclined to say that this one probably does go through a more prolonged correction here. But god damn it, that 5-day is strong as all hell. Here's what I'll say. Okay, so 5-day does have some hidden bearish evidence. Okay, is that confirmed? That actually is confirmed. Okay, well, we've already got to move around your prior time highs. In this case, one's kind of stumping me right here. You know what? I'm just gonna have to go with the tried and true in this case. Back above about 40.25 on a daily, I'd be looking for this one to go back onto the all-time high party, and probably looking at areas like this actually properly. There we go, right there. I'll probably be looking at a target just south of 50 bucks after that, and then continuation probably later down the road around end of year. That'll look pretty damn good. So be going off of ranges for right now, but overall long term very, very good. So hopefully that's helpful. And there you go for TerraLuna.